Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the battery in a Mercedes Key Fob. On the back you've got this small switch, just flick that up. That releases the bladed key. Then what you do is right down inside there's a small catch. It's actually on this side, so if you push it that side, and then it just pops up. You can see the catch there, and that is where the battery is, and it is a CR2025. So I've just got this. Whee! There we go. So then take a brand new battery, a CR2025. I got a whole packet of these from a local hardware shop. Then take your brand new battery and push it into the battery compartment. Don't worry if it doesn't seem that secure, because as soon as you put the back on, it holds it in place. So that's in there, then just put the cover back on. There is a link above now about how to test car fuses without having to pull them out using a multimeter. Job done. Let's just make sure it works. Nice. And now it's time for a quick cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.